Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is Cartoon Characters. CARTOON Cartoon CHARACTERS Characters, Cartoon Characters. Children love cartoon. So today I am going to teach you some famous cartoon characters. So the first is Donald Duck. DONALD. Donald DUCK Duck. Donald Duck. You can see students, who is this cartoon character? Donald Duck. Donald is a cartoon character created at Walt Disney Animation Studio. Donald is a white duck with a yellow-orange bill, legs and feet. He typically wears a sailor shirt and cap with a bow tie. Donald Duck is known for his buckle speech, mischievous and angry personality. In cartoon shows, Donald Duck nephews are Huey, Louie, Dewey. It appeared frequently at Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. You can see in Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Now the next is MICKEY, Mickey, MOUSE, Mouse. Mickey Mouse. This is also very famous cartoon character. Now Mickey Mouse is a cartoon character created at Walt Disney Animation Studios, who shows as a charm for Walt Disney Company. A human-like mouse who typically wears red shirt, large yellow shoes and white gloves. Mickey is one of the world's most famous fictional characters. It is one of the leading cartoon characters of Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Now, the next is Ninja Hattori. NINJA, Ninja, HATTORI, Hattori, Ninja Hattori. You can see. Yes, who is this cartoon character? Yes, this is Ninja Hattori. Ninja Hattori is a cartoon mostly telecast on Nickelodeon Cartoon Channel. It was a manga comic series which later adopted in a television drama. The story revolves around 10 years old Kenichi who meets Hattori. A ninja became a part Kenichi family with his brother Shinjo and his dog Sisimaru. This cartoon shows a life of ninja boy who does training to become a brave ninja. In this show, Hattori's main weakness is shown is afraid of frogs. Now the next is this is DORAEMON, Doraemon. Yes, you can see. Who is this cartoon character? This is also a very famous cartoon character, Doraemon. Everybody is knowing to the Doraemon. Doraemon is a Japanese manga series and animation series. Doraemon is the name of robot cat that came from future to help a boy named Nobita Nobi. In this cartoon story, Doraemon was a gadget to solve a problem for Nobita, but Nobita goes too far and ends up being punished and learning a lesson. He has a pocket on his stomach known as three-dimensional pocket, which has many gadgets in it like the bamboo copter, anywhere door, fast and slow perfume, small light and big light, etc. And his sister's name is Doremi. Now the next I would like to teach you, this is DORA, Dora. Now you can see who is this cartoon character? Yes, this is Dora. So Now I would like to tell you about the Dora. So children, Dora the Explorer is a 7 years old Latino girl. Dora uses her knowledge of the Spanish language to communicate with her friends, overcome and reach her goals. In each episode, Dora teaches the various Spanish word or phrase and then asks them to use it in help solve a problem. So the Dora, this is also very famous cartoon character. Now I would like to teach you the next one. This is Tom, Tom, A&D and Jerry, Jerry, Tom and Jerry. You can see students, this is also very famous cartoon character. Everybody is knowing about this. Yes? Now I would like to tell you something about this. You know children, the Tom and Jerry is considered as one of the best cartoon in the world and has too much of fan following, especially of the 90s kids. Tom and Jerry are two different characters of the cartoon. Tom is a grey cat and Jerry is a brown mouse. Jerry is always in trouble. Some situation to Tom cat. An unsuccessful attempt by Tom to catch Jerry and made a laugh on face and would always be an interesting show ever. So students, who is this cartoon character? Tom and Jerry. Now I would like to teach you next. This is Noddy, Noddy, Noddy. Now you can see who is this cartoon character? Noddy. So now I would like to tell you about the Noddy. So students, Noddy is a fictional character created by English children's author Enid Blyton. He has many friends. Noddy is a wooden boy who ran away from his maker. Now, the next I would like to teach you. This is Pooh, P-O-O-H, Pooh. You can see who is this cartoon character? This is Pooh. So now I would like to tell you something about the Pooh. So children, the Pooh is a human-like teddy bear. He is based on a stuffed toy. Pooh is a small yellow bear. He is nearby 20 inches. Yellow bear. He is nearby 20 inches tall. He wears an old red t-shirt. His favorite food is honey. The first thing he says when he gets in the morning for breakfast. You can see in this picture. Yes. He invented the game Pooh Sticks. Pooh has several friends such as Piglet, Tigger, Rabbit and Robin. So, who is this cartoon character? This is Pooh. Now the next is B-U-G-S, Bugs, B-U-N-N-Y, Bunny. Now I would like to tell you something about Bugs Bunny. But first of all, you can see this is, who is this cartoon character? This is Bugs Bunny. So children, Bugs Bunny is an animated cartoon character created by Leon. In this, Hare Hunt replaces the little black duck with a small white rabbit. A cartoon character, Bugs encounters many comedic situations and has become a staple in many children's everyday lives. It was, students, it was the first cartoon short to receive the honor. Bugs Bunny, one of the most beloved characters of the 20th century. So students, you all will study at home. These all the cartoon characters from your book. Thank you.